Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about a problem in which we have to highlight a particular work item type over the Acme website. So we have this website called acmetest.uipath.com, and on the work item tab we have different work item IDs and different descriptions and different types of IDs. We have to highlight the particular work item ID which we will receive from the user as an input. So we will see how we can solve it. So firstly I will use input dialog to receive uh, input from the user. The labels would be like this: wi type and wi term, and the different options would be like y1 comma wi2 comma wi3 comma wi4 comma wi5. So these are the options which will be shown to the user, and he can just choose one out of them. So now we will use the open browser activity to open the particular browser, and here we will type the particular website that we are going to use. And we will be using Chrome browser over here. So now we will have to provide the email ID and passwords. So we would use type into activity over here. So first we will have to use the get password to get the password from the to store the password in a particular variable. So we can use get password activity over here and save it into a particular variable called pass. Now we can pass the pass variable over here and click over the login button. Now we will be directed to the particular URL. Now there are different options you can click on, so we would use click one more time. Now user will click on work items and this page will be shown. Now now we will use find children and add the particular selector. We will indicate it and open with the help of UI Explorer. We will only use a name over here and remove all of the other selectors. We will cut this and save this. Okay, we will paste it over here. Now here we would provide the variable name between plus signs and the double quotes. So the variable name in which we will store the work item type would be wi type. So here we will use wi type it would be in double quotes. Okay, save. Now here we will choose find descendants, and wait for ready would be interactive. Now so it would be stored in a enumerable variable. So it is a collection. Now we will loop through it. So for each item in children, we will highlight the item. Element would be item. So why it is giving the error? So the item type would be not object, it would be of the uipath.core.ui element. Now you can see that the error is gone. Okay, so we are done with the workflow. Now we would save it and now try to run. Hope it works. Close it. Before doing that, let's see if it is alright. Type into would be empty field, and it will be simulate type. Click before typing will also be checked. Same for this one. Empty field and simulate type. Now we will run this. We have choose WI2. As you can see that we have choose WI2, and WI2 items are highlighted one by one. So now this is the way you can just store particular element into the enumerable variable and highlight it one by one. If you have any questions, you can just type into the comment sections, and if you like the video, please like it and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.